rest of the problems that we had left. Actually, I had given you the homework. Probably you have not done the homework, so inshallah we'll be working on those problems, inshallah. So where's your worksheet? Okay. Bismillah. So do you remember we have completed how many questions did we complete, Vita? Do you remember? Do you remember we had completed all the short answers? Multiple choices done, right?
Yes.
Yes. And we had completed to prove the two congruent triangles. Do you want me to explain this again? Prove that the diagonal of a parallel. Yes.
We did the third one.
Yes, we did till third one, right?
Yes.
Yes. Do we want me to do third one, or was it easy? Okay, let's give it a try. Come on, let's start from third one and let's continue the rest of it. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So the third one gave the question to the third one is. I'll just maximize the screen. Okay, this much is enough. Okay, the third question is two consecutive angles of the parallelogram are consecutive. का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? What is consecutive mean, Laiba? ये और ये, right? This one and this one. If it is an A, B, C, D, then A and B are consecutive to each other. C and D are consecutive to each other, right, beta?
Yes.
Yes. What about opposite angles? Tell me which are the opposite angles here.
We're doing the third one.
Yes, we are doing the third one.
Okay.
Okay. Which are the consecutive angles, beta? A and B are consecutive. C and D are consecutive, right? Okay. The question they have asked is two consecutive angles of a parallelogram are x plus 60 and 2x plus 30. This is x plus 60. This is 2x plus 30. Okay. The question they have asked is what special name can you give to this parallelogram? Let's see. Let's find the values of x and let's find what is an angle A, what is an angle B, and then we'll see what name we are giving to it. Okay. So x plus 60. What can we infer from a parallelogram, Laiba? That two consecutive angles, the sum of two consecutive angles in any quadrilateral is equal to how much, beta? Interior angles. इसको और इसको अगर ऐड करोगे तो आपको कितना मिलेगा? Laiba? It is always 180 degree. You have to remember this principle. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, in any quadrilateral, even if it be a triangle, do you remember that? In a triangle, all the angles are equal to 180 degree. This is the rule for triangle. But for a quadrilateral, consecutive angles, the sum of two consecutive angles, this and this will always be equal to 180 degree, okay? You have to remember this concept. Fine, beta? Yes? Okay, now please find the value of x soon. How will you find? Laiba, come on, do it in your book. Yes, beta. What is the answer?
1 minute. It's 30, right?
X is equal to 30. Yes, excellent, beta. X is equal to 30. Now find the value angle A. What is angle A now? X plus 60. Angle B is 2x plus 30. What is angle A now, beta? Tell me what is angle A. Angle A equal to how much? What is angle B equal to? If angle A equal to how much, B equal to how much, then what is this quadrilateral named?
Angle A is 90.
Excellent.
And angle B is also 90.
Yes. So what is this quadrilateral named, beta?
Rectangle.
Yes, it is a rectangle because there are the straight lines. If there are the straight lines, it forms a straight line, right? They are perpendicular to each other, then it is always a rectangle. Excellent answer. Okay, we have the next question, the fourth question. If one angle of a parallelogram is 30 less than the twice of the smallest angle, let's keep the smallest angle as x, okay? Then, if one angle of the parallelogram is 30 less than twice the smallest angle, 30 less, okay, twice the smallest angle. In this way, I have tried. Twice the smallest angle, say 30 less hoga. That is another angle, okay? That is, for example, if angle B is equal to this much, then angle A is equal to x. What we have to keep? Let the smallest angle be x and let the largest angle be 2x minus 30. Isn't it easy? See, in this way, you have to
Yeah.
track down the algebraic expressions for it. Okay. Okay, बेटा यहाँ पे किस तरह
Yes.
ट्रैक किया था हमने if one angle of the parallelogram is एक angle हमने लिख लेंगे angle B and angle A, there are two angles here. They have told the it is less than the twice the smallest angle. Let's keep angle A as x. If we'll keep angle A as x and let's keep it as the smallest angle, then angle B will be one angle of the parallelogram which is 30 less than 30 less than twice the smallest angle. Twice the smallest angle is x, so it is 2x. So in this way, you have to frame the algebraic expressions. So angle B is 2x minus 30, angle A is x, then find the measure of each angle. How will you find the measure of each angle? As simple as that. A plus B equals 180 degree. In this way, you can find it better. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, right? And this parallelogram, actually, you know it, right? Opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Correct? But the consecutives are equal to 180 degree. We just have to find A, B, then automatically you will get C and D. Right or been wrong, beta?
Right.
Angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. So how will you find angle A plus angle B? What is angle A plus angle B, beta? Equal to 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Yes. Now please find out x plus 2x minus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Find this x from this equation. Find the value of x from this equation, beta. Are you doing it? Are you solving this problem?
Yes.
Okay, please. Tell me the answer to this. Are you done? What is the answer, Laiba?
It's 70.
Is it 70? 180 plus 30. Okay, 800. 10 over 3, 3 7 times. Excellent. The answer to x is 70. What is the other angle, beta now? If one angle is 70, angle A is 70, then what is another angle, Laiba? 70 into 2 minus 30. Correct? Angle B
Yes.
gives you, what is the answer to angle B? Angle A is 70 and the angle is angle B. 2 into 70, 7 2 times is 14, 140 minus 30. What is 140 minus 30? It's quite easy, Navita. Tell me the answer. Angle B has a formula 2x minus 30. 2 into 70 minus 30. 7 2 times is 14. 140 minus 30. What is the answer, beta?
It's 110.
It's 110, right? It's quite easy, right? Did you find any difficulty in doing this?
No.
No, it's fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, mashallah. So next problem, you're going to solve this for me. Come on, Laiba. Tell me how will you solve this? Read this question for me. Yes, beta.
If an angle of parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, then find the smallest angle of the parallelogram.
Okay, we have a parallelogram. Okay, we have two consecutive angles. Adjacent angles मतलब एक के साथ एक लगे हुए angles, right? If one angle of a parallelogram is 2/3 of its adjacent angle, मुझे equation बताओ आप किस तरह लिखोगे? Let's see A, B, C, D. Come on, tell me. Let's see how we can do this. How we will do this. Aisha, what will you write for A and angle B? Please tell me. One angle of a parallelogram. What you have to take? Let's take A as x. What is the second angle you're going to take, beta? See here, 2/3 of its adjacent angle. What you have to do, just you have to write B is nothing but 2/3 of x. That's all.
Yeah.
That's it, beta. You just have to give it a try. You should not stop. Whenever you are getting a maths problem, you should give it a try. You should not stop it, okay?
Yeah.
कोई भी आंसर होगा चलेगा, लेकिन you have to give it a try. Chalo, what will be the answer to this? The question they have given us: find the smallest angle, find x and find 2/3x. Come on, find both of it. How will you find it? It's quite easy, quite simple. How will you find it? It's the same as previous one. How will you do it, beta? Tell me soon.
X plus 2x, 2/3x is equals to 180.
Yes, please solve it. Solve this algebraic equation. What is the expression? X plus, it is nothing but x plus 2/3x. 2/3x is equal to 180 degrees. Does that solve? You're going to solve for x. What is x equal to now? What is x plus 2/3x? How will you?
Can we cut like 3 and 180?
Not at all, beta. It's a basic algebraic expression. Okay, I'll teach you how to do this. Algebra, I think. Okay, you have to have some, and you have to know some important points in algebra, beta. See, algebra, you cannot cut this and this, because you just have x here. You cannot move this thing, and you have x here as well. Okay, you cannot move this thing here without taking this expression, because this has a numerical part and algebraic part. Okay, you cannot directly divide or something. Okay, what you can do here is, I'll just give a hint. What you can do here is, you can
Also,
multiply the,
x is equals to
you have to
180.
remove 3. You have to remove 3 from the this one. What you can do is, you just can multiply the throughout the equation with 3. Can do this?
Yes.
Yes. Isn't it easy? You just have to multiply the equation on LHS and RHS by 3. If you multiply it with 3, then you will get 3x. The equation will be 3x plus, what you will get, beta? 2x, correct? 3 will cancel out. Is equal to 180 into 3. What is 18 into 3? What is 18 into 3, beta? Is it not 54?
Yes. But why are we multiplying 1x with 3?
We are multiplying throughout with 3, throughout the equation with 3, just to remove this divided by 3 from this, only this. If you do not want to follow this procedure, we have another procedure. I'll do another procedure for you. That is a quite difficult procedure. I'll tell you how you have to solve this. X plus 2/3x is equal to 180 degree. If it is in this way, then what you can do is, you can remove this common x out, right? If you want to remove the common x out, then what is left here? It is 1, right? It is 1 plus 2/3, correct?
Yeah.
X is common in both of this. If you are removing it out, if you are taking it out, then x over 1 plus 2/3 will be left out, which is equal to 180 degree. Now you have to just do this simple fraction addition. How will you add the fractions? 2/3, and what does this have in denominator? 1/1 plus 2/3, right? How will you add this fraction, beta? What you have to do here? Multiply it with 3. Do you know the LCM, HCF, and more things? LCM of this is 3, right?
Yes.
Yes, how will you solve this, beta? If you multiply this with 3, then the denominator with 3, then numerator gets multiplied with 3. If the denominator is multiplied with 1, then the numerator also gets multiplied by 1. So here it is 3 plus 2/3. What is it? What is the answer to this, beta? It is 5/3. So here in this place, you can write 5/3x is equal to 180 degree. Now you have multiplication problem. Okay, if there is a multiplication problem, you can just move this 3 over this side, right or wrong?
Yes.
Can you not move left hand side to the right hand side? If you move it, it just changes. As if 5/3, if you move on this side, what it changes to, beta?
Multiplication.
Multiplication 2. What? 5/3, if you move on the right hand side, what it becomes, beta? Does it not become 3/5?
Oh, yes, yes.
Yes, because reciprocates, right? This 3 goes here and this 5 moves here. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. So it becomes 5 over 3. X is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 degree into 3 divided by 5. Correct or wrong? Are you
Yes.
doing this in your rough book?
Yes.
Yes. Please solve it and tell me the answer to X. 180 multiplied by 3 over 5. What is the answer to this, beta? What is the answer to X? X is
Uh,
equal to how much? And 2x over 3 is equal to how much? What is X equal to? Any doubts?
mm,
Have you understood how to add fractions?
yes. Then 108.
Is it 1-0?
108.
Excellent. This is the right answer, beta. Very good. You should not hesitate while solving maths problems. You have to give it a try, okay? Even if you do not know in the exam or in the test, if you do not know, if you have not gone through that question, you have to give it a try, okay? You should start trying working out the problems. Okay, this one, the next one. What is 2x over 3? 2 multiplied by x over 3. So the answer to A and B in the parallelogram, the fifth one was 108, the first angle, and which is the second angle, Iba?
6.1. 72.
Excellent. This is the answer, the next answer. So we can write it as 72 and 108. So you have got the answer for the fifth problem. Have you written down it in the rough book or somewhere so that you
Yes.
can prepare it well for the exam or for the test?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So the next question. In figure ABCD is a rhombus whose diagonals meet at O. Find the value of x and y. How will you find this, Laiba? Just tell me the hints. How will you find this? Laiba, come on.
Mm,
How will you find this, beta?
B, B will do 35 plus x is equals to 180.
Okay. Better no, 35 plus x we cannot do because we have a triangle there. They have not given they have not given it for the parallelogram. They have not given the total angle A and the total angle B. They have given just this triangle, the angle in small angles in the triangle, right, Laiba?
Yes.
How can you find this now?
Um,
Any idea?
mm,
No? Do you not know that in a rhombus, the this one, if this is a rhombus, for example, what is the main property in a rhombus? Do you not know? That the diagonals, if they are there, then they should always be perpendicular, right?
yes.
Rhombus के अंदर diagonals perpendicular रहते हैं. This is very important property. Okay, they are always 90 degree. So here we have got one angle now. Which angle did we get here, beta? Angle A is 35 degree. एक और angle हमें मिल गया है. Which is that angle? ये right, this one. Because the question they have given it is a rhombus. यहाँ पे उन्होंने wrong दिखाया है, यहाँ पे उन्होंने just parallelogram दिखाया है थोड़ा, ठीक है? While showing, they have shown it as a parallelogram, but it is a rhombus, okay? Correct?
Yeah.
So यहाँ पे जब question में उन्होंने rhombus दिया है, तो what we can infer from this is that the diagonals always divide the rhombus perpendicularly, right? So this angle is 90 degree. Now find x. It's quite easy. If a triangle has a 90 degree here and 35 degree here, what is the next angle remaining, beta? A triangle के लिए sum of all three angles is equal to how much?
180.
Excellent. So in this way, you have to find 35. How will you find 35 plus 90 plus x is equal to how much, beta? Equal to what? Laiba, what is it equal to?
55.
No, it is equal to 180 degree, right? I mean, question, I'm telling you the question. You have, this is algebraic expression, right? 35 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180 degree, right? This is the equation that you've got. So 35 plus 90, what is it, beta? So you have told me the final answer?
Yeah.
That's great, mashallah. What did you tell, beta? What is the answer?
55.
Yes, it's 55 degree. Very good. So this is a 55 degree. Okay. So the angle x, what did we get like by now? 55 degree. And what is angle this one? This is 90 degree. Now tell me the angle y. How will you tell the angle y, beta? Can you please tell me how will you tell the angle y?
Interior opposite angles.
Yes, alternate interior opposite angles. हम z ले सकते हैं, right? This z can be taken, but this one and this one is equal. What about this one? यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलेगा? x मिलेगा, right? अब y क्या मिलेगा आपको? What is y, beta? Need help? Try it out. Please try it out. How will you try this? Can we not take this 35 here? Can we not take this 35 here?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Then what we can find from this, beta? Can you not find the actual angle there?
The total of this angle is something.
Okay. If there is any problem here, I'll just tell you how you have to find this. Okay, this is x, right? Okay, x is equal to 55 you have got here, right? Okay, mashallah. So here it is 90 degree, right? Ab chalo, we will write this x. This is y now. We can write this y here or not. Just tell me, can we not write this y here?
Yes.
Yes, we can write this y here. Okay, so if this is x, if this is 35 degree, can this not be 35 degree? Yes, this can be 35 degree. What is given, just let's write it down, okay? If this is x, if it's 55 degree, then this is also 55 degree. This is fine now, right? This is 55, this is y, this is 55, this is y, and this is 35. If this is 35, what is this one? Do you have any idea what this angle can be? No, we do not know any idea for this angle. So what we can infer from this is angle OAD is equal to angle OAB is equal to what? Angle OAD and OAB are equal to what, beta? Do you not know that in a rhombus, the diagonals, if they are perpendicular to each other, then they actually bisect each other, okay? There is a simple principle that they bisect each other. Bisect का मतलब क्या होता है? Divided it into
Equal half.
Equal half. So this is 35 degree, then this is also 35 degree, beta. So if this is 55 degree, then this is also, y is also 55 degree. If you do not know this answer, what we can do here is we can just add 35 plus 35 plus 55 plus what gives you 180 degree. Can you also do it in this way? Then this y is equal to, you will get as 55 degree only. So x and y are both equal to 55 degree. Just remember this, okay? Rhombus के लिए properties क्या होती है? एक rhombus का property ये है कि diagonals are perpendicular to each other, right? The second are they actually bisect it. Bisect ka matlab they divide it into the two equal halves. This is an important thing that you have to remember in a rhombus. That's all, okay?
Yes.
Okay, you actually had to study about the parallelogram, and rhombus ke liye you do not have much to study, so you don't remember that concept, I guess. Okay, we have the next question here, beta. Seventh question, come on, read it for me.
ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the bisectors of angle A and angle
Have you written
C.
down the previous one? Written down the previous one?
Yes.
Easy?
Yes.
Okay, what did you do? Actually, tell me, what did you do? We just found this is 90 degree. It's all given actually. This one we found at 55 degree. Actually, the diagonals, they bisect each other. They bisect the angles, so it is 55. You can actually infer as 55. Or if you do not know this angle and you want to find, You can just write this as 35 degree, and 35 plus 55 plus something is equal to 180 degree, right? In that way also you can find. So this angle will always be 55. 55 plus 55, 35 plus 35 will also give you 180 degree. So this is the answer how you will find it. Okay. So the next question here is ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the bisectors of AC meet, DC produced at Y and BA produced at X respectively. Prove that angle X and angle Y is equal to half of angle A plus angle C. देखो यहाँ पे किस तरह we will derive this equation is, देखो यहाँ पे ABCD is a quadrilateral. Let's simply write a quadrilateral. Okay. Laiba, please concentrate. ये थोड़ा आपको tricky दिखेगा problem. Let's simply write the quadrilateral. We have A, B, C and D, right, beta?
Yeah.
Next, what we are doing is, and with the bisectors of A. Bisector of A का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? Something that is cutting A, right? Into two equal angles, correct beta?
Yes.
Yes. यहाँ पे एक line draw करेंगे. Bisector of A. Let's draw it, okay? A bisector of A I'm drawing, okay? What it is doing is it is going out of the line, okay? Remember this. Bisector, do the diagonals in the parallelogram bisect each other? Yes, right?
Yes.
There's a theorem named parallelogram, but here they have given a quadrilateral, okay? It's not a parallelogram now. Just remember this. They have just told that ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the bisector of angle A meets DC, okay? It meets DC at point Y, which is produced, okay? They have told you DC is produced at Y. Okay, let's write this point as Y. Done? Understood?
Yes.
Yes. The next question they have told you better here. The bisector of angle C is meets at BA, okay? Produced at X respectively. Bisector of angle B, angle B, did they say angle B? No, they have told you angle C. The bisector of angle C, kahan pe angle C? This one, right? This one. The bisector of this angle is going till here, and then if A is produced, then it meets at angle X. Understood? Is it difficult to understand?
No.
No. Was it fine now?
Yes.
Yes. How did you understand this question, beta? Come on, tell me, what did they do here? क्या क्या है उन्होंने बताओ प्लीज. एबीसीडी एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल है, उन्होंने बताया बाइसेक्टर ऑफ एंगल ए. यहाँ पे हमने एंगल ए लिया, हमने उस वहां से एक बाइसेक्टर प्रोड्यूस किया विच इज आउट ऑफ द एंगल, आउट ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. यहाँ पे उन्होंने बताया है इट इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, इट मीट्स एट डीसी. फर्स्ट ये लेंगे हम, मीट्स एट डीसी एट वाई एंड देन मीट्स एट बीए एट प्रोड्यूस्ड एट एक्स. ओके, द एंगल सी का जो बाइसेक्टर है वो एक्स पे मीट करेगा विच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड एट ए एंड वाई. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट?
Yes.
Yes. अब उन्होंने बताया कि we have to prove this equation. How can we prove this equation? It's quite easy actually. Let's just quickly see how we will do this problem. Okay. चलो. Okay. Just see the figure better. What can we consider from this figure so that we can prove x plus y is equal to half of angle A plus angle C. हम क्या consider कर सकते हैं बेटा यहाँ पे? एंगल x आने के लिए हम क्या कंसिडर कर सकते हैं? एंगल x आने के लिए कैन वी नॉट कंसिडर दिस ट्रायंगल बेटा, XBC का ट्रायंगल? कैन वी कंसिडर दिस?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let's consider this, just this triangle. So what is it in this triangle? Angle x plus angle, what left? What left beta? Angle B, right? Then angle C. Angle C nahi hoga, angle BCX, right? Angle C, we cannot say angle C because there is a two split out, right? It's split out into two. Right or wrong, beta?
Yes, yes.
So it is angle BCX. This is equal to what? Sum of angles in a triangle is equal to? Is it not 180 degree? Yes. X plus angle B plus angle BCX is equal to 180 degree. Then let's write just we want half somewhere, okay? We want half in this equation. How can we make half here? Can we not write x plus angle B plus, iski jagah can we not write half of angle C? Because it is a bisector. Because in the question they have told that angle C has a bisector. This is a bisector, right? This line is a bisector. BCX is a bisector, right? So
Yeah.
angle BCX को हम क्या half of angle C लिख सकते हैं?
Yes.
BCX को क्या हम half of angle C लिख सकते हैं बेटा?
Yes.
Why can we write it that? Because this line is a bisector, right? It divides equal half. This and this are equal. All right. So it is half of angle C. So we have 180 degree here. Done. ये एक equation हो गया हमारे पास. And then we can we not consider the second triangle? This triangle ADY का triangle. Can we not consider this triangle? ऐसे मुझे बताओ angles. जल्द से. Angle Y plus angle D plus angle A नहीं लिख सकते हम. क्या लिख सकते हैं? Half of angle A लिख लेंगे यहीं पे. Can we write half of angle A? Yes,
Yes.
this is equal to 180 degree. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Can we not add these two equations so that we can get x and y together?
Yes.
Okay, Aliba cannot please add it in your book and tell me the answer. What you will get from these Just tell me the equation what you will get quickly.
For which one?
This equation plus this equation. Angle x plus angle D plus half of angle A, angle x plus angle B plus half of angle C will be on the left hand side. 180 degree plus 180 degree will be on the right hand side. Come on, write the entire equation.
Angle
Written?
Y plus angle X plus angle D plus angle B, and then plus 1/2 of angle A and 1/2 of angle C is equals to 180 plus 180.
Yes, you have written the this one, mashallah. So what we can infer from that is, can we not write 360 degree is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle D plus angle C plus angle D on the opposite side? Okay, write the next equation. Write the next line. Write it in the next line that what have you got? First you have got x, then you have got y, then you have got all of these. Angle D plus angle B plus half of angle A plus half of angle C is equal to 360 degree, right?
Yeah.
Instead of 360 degree, you can write A plus B plus C plus D because all the angles in the quadrilateral are equal to what? 360 degree, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you have same things on the right hand side and left hand side, can we not cancel it? So which cancels out with angle B cancels out, angle B cancels out, angle D cancels out, angle D cancels out. But A and C cannot cancel out because we have half A and half B, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what is left out in left hand side and right hand side? Now please tell me x plus y is left out. Correct?
Yes.
Which is equal to if you'll send half of angle A on that side, what it would be? One angle minus half. What is it? It's just the half angle A, right?
Yes.
Then again, one angle B minus half angle B. Is it again half angle B? Yes or no? Understanding it or not?
Yes, yes.
Okay. If half is removed out, what is it? Angle X plus angle Y is equal to half of angle A plus B. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it done? Understood?
Yes.
So did we get this equation or not? Can you please send me the snapshot of a number what you have written in your book?
Angle X plus angle Y is 1/2 angle C plus 1/2 angle D.
So this is what you have got? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So that's great, right? Okay. So we'll see the next question. Was it easy?
Yes.
Quite a bit tricky, but you have to work on it so that it becomes easier for you. Okay, you have to devise such an equation such that you have to get both A and B, A, B, X and Y in it. So to get that, what you can do is you have to substitute things and then find it out. Okay, now we have the next question. Beta D, E, F are respectively midpoints on the sides of the AB, BC, CA of the triangle ABC. Prove that by joining these midpoints D, E, F, the triangles ABCD is divided into 4 congruent triangles. This is a question that is in your textbook. We have solved it together. Can you solve this for me now, Liba? Just tell
Yes.
me, how did you solve this? Just tell me, how did we solve this together? Do you remember how did we solve this?
Um,
इन्होंने क्वेश्चन में बताया है कि डी ई एफ आर द रेस्पेक्टिव मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ द साइड्स ए बी बी सी सी ए of a triangle ABC. They are drawing a triangle, and they told that the DEF are respectively the midpoints of the sides A, B, C, A, B, B, C, C, A. So here we have D, so here we have E, so here we have F, okay?
yeah.
Okay, then they have told you prove that by joining these midpoints DEF, the triangle ABC is congruent. How did we prove this? We are joining all these points, okay? Now tell me, now prove that this is congruent to this and this is congruent to this. What will you do here, beta?
Um,
Do
prove the
you apply ASA
congruency.
postulate and more?
Yes.
No, actually, we don't apply. We didn't apply ASA postulate because for each one you have to do ASA postulate. This one and this one, this one and this one, this one and this one. कितने बार करना होगा? You know, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. Almost it becomes 5 to 6 times you have to apply ASA postulate. इसको congruent prove करना होगा. So instead of doing that, there is a simple procedure I taught you actually. Don't you remember? I just told you that there is a theorem named the first theorem, I guess. There's a theorem in the parallelogram. Do you remember the theorem in the parallelogram? What does it say? What does it say, beta? The first theorem in the parallelogram. Diagonal divides, right? What is the first theorem in the parallelogram? Diagonal divides. Yes. Don't you remember, beta? Diagonal divides a parallelogram into two.
Congruent triangles.
Yes, into two congruent triangles. We can simply apply that theorem. Just we have to say that DF is parallel to BE and this DF is equal to B. Isn't DF is equal to BE?
Yes.
Yes, because it is a midpoint of these the same sides. The midpoints of the same sides, if there are midpoints, then this is equal to this. And if this is a parallelogram, then DB is equal to EF. Right? Because the midpoint theorem, do you remember midpoint theorem? Because of the midpoint theorem, this and this are equal. Why is it so? Do you remember? BC is equal to half of DE, half of DF. Yes, right?
Yes.
Because of the midpoint theorem, this total is half of this. Sorry, half of BC is nothing but DF, right? So
Yes.
half of BC is nothing but B, so B is equal to DF. This is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if the opposite sides are equal, these two triangles are congruent. Done. One parallelogram we have got. There is a second parallelogram here. Which is the second parallelogram, beta? DCF is another parallelogram, right?
Yes.
So this and this triangles are congruent again. We have got another parallelogram here. So we have three parallelograms. You have to write it down and tell that these are AFED. AFED is a parallelogram, and hence this is a diagonal, DF is a diagonal, and hence this triangle is congruent to this triangle because of theorem 1 of a parallelogram. That's all. Done? Is it easy?
Yes.
It's easy to prove actually. It's very easy to prove. I'll just give you the I have given you the hint, and we have actually solved it in the previous class. So we have got three parallelograms, and it will be very easy to solve and prove that the opposite triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. So alhamdulillah, that's quite easy problem. So we'll see the next problem, ninth question. Come on, Aisha, come on, Laiba, you have to solve this for me. Have you solved this, beta? It's quite easy. Parallelogram. ADC is 75 degree. What is X now? Tell me what is X. How will you find it? 75 plus X is equal to what? 180 degree. What is X now, beta? Solve it in your book. Tell me the answer. What is X, beta?
105.
What is the answer? I cannot hear you, beta.
105.
Yes?
105.
102? Sure?
105.
Yes, it is 105. Okay, X is equal to 105. What is Y now? What is Y now? 75 को 75 यहाँ डाल सकते हो आप? Because
Yes.
parallelogram में क्या रहेगा? Opposite angles are equal. यहाँ आपको 105 लिख सकते हो, यहाँ 75 लिख सकते हो. If this is 75, what is Y? एक लाइन पे कितनी एंगल रहेगी? Always 180 degree, right?
Yes.
Straight line always measures 180 degree. 75 plus Y is equal to 180 degree. What is Y now, beta? 180 degree minus 75, correct?
75.
So it
Yes.
is. So what is the answer to this?
105.
Y is equal to?
105.
Excellent. So it is 105. Isn't this problems easy?
Yes.
Okay, mashallah. So the next problem, do you have this worksheets with you, or is it just in the a software format, not the hard copy?
Yeah.
You have the hard copy of this worksheet with you?
No, I don't have a copy.
It's just in the book. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
So, chalo, we'll see a few more problems now. I think we just have. Okay, we don't have any time left. Okay, we'll just see this. It's quite easy. Let's complete this down, and tomorrow we'll see the next problems, inshallah. So this one, beta. Okay, well, let's not go to the that.
Actually, I have one question. The class starts at 4:30 over here or 4:15?
Matlab?
No, what time is there over there?
It's actually exactly at 7 we are going to start, and we are going to end it at 7:45. Okay?
Oh, so the class is of 45 minutes.
Yes, class is of 45 minutes. It's already told.
Okay.
Okay. So which of the following is or are the condition for ABC to be a quadrilateral? Okay, for anything to be a quadrilateral, beta, what conditions do you have? Quadrilateral में क्या होता है? This is a quadrilateral, right? Okay. The first question: the 4 points ABCD must be distinct and coplanar. Distinct का मतलब क्या होता है? अलग अलग जगह होनी चाहिए, right? एक साथ नहीं हो सकते हो. Can this ABCD be called as quadrilateral? Laiba, I cannot hear you.
Yes, it can.
So this, yes, this is a quadrilateral. Yes. Now the first point, is it right or wrong? Just tell me the first point. The 4 points ABCD must be distinct and coplanar. Is it right or wrong?
What is coplanar?
कोप्लानर मतलब सिंगल प्लेन में रहना चाहिए सब कुछ, एक ही प्लेन में, मतलब एक ही स्पेस में. It cannot be out of the space, like it cannot be 3D or something. Yes, right? This is correct.
Yes.
Yes. The next question. No 3 of the points A, B, C, D are collinear. Is it right? Collinear का मतलब एक लाइन में 3 points हो सकते हैं?
No.
No. So no 3 points of ABCD are collinear. Correct. ये option correct है, right?
Yes.
So ABCD एक quadrilateral बनने के लिए ये 2 points are important. The third thing, line segment AB, BC, CD, DA intersect at their endpoints only. Is it right or wrong? AB,
Yes.
BC, CD, DA endpoints में सिर्फ intersect कर सकते हैं, correct?
Yes.
They do not intersect elsewhere. दूसरी जगह कहीं cut नहीं कर सकते, right? Even if you produce this anywhere to the infinity, they cannot cut it, right? ये और ये मिल नहीं सकते. They just can meet at this point, this point, this point, and this point. That's all. Understood? So it is right. So A, B, C, all of these 3 options are right. So what is the answer to this? D is the right answer, correct? All of these is a, for this option, all of these is the answer. Okay, beta? Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Now read it out the next question. Read out the next question. Which of the following is wrong condition for a quadrilateral for the parallelogram? Parallelogram के लिए wrong condition क्या है? बताओ मुझे. Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, this is the right condition. It's not wrong condition. So let's strike this out. Opposite angles are equal.
Yes.
Yes, this is the right condition. Diagonal can't bisect each other. Is it a right condition or wrong condition?
Wrong.
This is a wrong condition because we have a theorem, which is last theorem, which says that diagonals in a parallelogram always bisect each other. Okay. So this is a wrong condition. This is the answer to this question. Fine. Okay, that's all. So the next question is AX and CY are the bisectors of angle A and the angle of angles A and C of the parallelogram ABCD. Then what is true for this beta? Just tell me, AX is parallel to CY. Is AX parallel to CY? Yes. AX is parallel to CD. AX is parallel to CD. No, this cannot be right. AX and CD are not in one plane. So they are not parallel. Parallel का मतलब होता है they should be exactly same, moving in the same direction. Correct, beta?
Yes.
So AX is parallel to CY. ये होगा, ये नहीं होगा. AX is parallel to AB. It's not possible. AX and AB are in opposite direction, so they are not parallel. None of this. So this is the answer. AX is parallel to CY. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, mashallah. We'll see the next problem. The fourth question. A, B, C, D, and A, E, F, G are two parallelograms. A, B, C, D कहाँ पे है? This one is a parallelogram. A, E, F, G is another. The question they have given is angle C is equal to 60 degree. Angle G कितना रहेगा? Can you please tell me how will you find the answer? Parallelogram में क्या रहेगा बेटा? Opposite angles are equal, right?
Yes.
So angle A is 63 degree. Done. If angle A is 63 degree, तो यहाँ पे एक और parallelogram मैंने बताया angle F is also 63 degree. Yes, right?
Yes.
अब उन्होंने angle G बताया आपको. तो G कैसे find करोगे? 63 plus angle G plus 63 is equal to 180 degree, right? Adjacent angles in a quadrilateral equal to 180 degree. Now, what is the answer to angle G, beta? 180 degree minus 63. What is the answer to this? Please tell me soon.
117.
Is it 117? Excellent.
Yes.
This is the answer, right? Mashallah. So these were the problems, inshallah. So do we have more? Okay, we'll just find this one and then we'll just end up this class. We actually take a class of 1 hour, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 3 is to 4, 5 is to 5 is to 7. How did you find this? Do you remember? We had one multiple choice question on this. Do you remember how did you find this? What did we add to this? 3x plus 5x plus 5x plus 7
is equal to 180.
is equal to not 180 degree. It's a quadrilateral. It's 360 degree. Correct?
Yeah.
So x we'll find out. 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 7. What is it answer, beta? 10, 17, 20. 20x is equal to 360. What is x now? 360 over 20. 0, 0 cancels out. 2, 1 times. 2, 1 times 2, 3, 2, 8 times 60. X is equal to 18 degree. If it is x is 18 degree, is it 18? Did you find it out?
Yes.
If it is 18, then 3 times 18. What is 3 times 18? 3 into 18. 54. Correct? Then what is 5 times 18? This one will be the answer, right? 54 or this one?
No,
is it 50?
C.
A or C? Just tell me. So 5 into 18. What is 18 into 5?
90.
90. So the C is an answer, not A, right?
Yes.
So yes, mashallah. So very good. And this way you have to solve this down, okay? It's quite easy, right?
Yes.
Yes, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. So assertions and reasoning, we'll solve it in tomorrow's class.